Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Birchbox for September 2021. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples. This is my last month getting the subscription. I finally canceled. My overall experience with this box has been sort of meh, is just how I would describe it. Like every once in a while, I would get something really cool, something that I liked a lot and I was excited to use. But 9 times out of 10, it's tiny little samples and it's like not worth it in my opinion. I just don't think it's the greatest subscription there is out there. I think you can do much better. It's also kind of weird to cancel. Like you can't just hit cancel. You have to hit like stop automatic billing or something. It was kind of weird. So if you're ever looking to cancel, that's how you have to do it. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will be sure to have it right here on the screen for you, as well as the estimated sample size value. We'll have all that, we'll add it all up at the end, see if it's a good deal or not. Okay, let's just open her up. So once you have it out of that outer packaging, here's what it looks like right here. This month's box has like this, where it opens like that, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so this little card right here will have everything we're getting as well as their full-size value. So be sure to mention the full-size value as well. All right, just looking at this, I can see exactly why I'm canceling this box. Like, okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is because it's leaking. It's this, and you can see it's on the lid there. It was in this little plastic thing, but it came out, and for some reason it's leaking. This is the Moist and Firm BB Cream with Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This is from IPKN, I think is how you say that. Mine is in the shade Light Medium, which I think is a good shade for me. It's pretty much the shade I always get. I don't even understand. How is this leaking? It's got a safety seal on it. I'm just trying to understand how this could have leaked out of here. There's like no holes in it. I don't understand. All the like stuff that it's leaked on is literally just on the outside, but I don't understand how. Okay, well, let's go ahead and swatch this. Swatch it. I'm seeing if it's a good shade for me. It is a little bit watery, that's how I would describe it. Not super watery, but a little bit. There it is on my hand. We'll go ahead and blend it in just to see what we have here. A little bit light. Not too bad though. The good thing though about BB creams is that they literally just like melt into your skin and it's like very, very light coverage. So I could definitely make that work. I definitely can. Full size is $29, which I don't think is really a good price for a BB cream personally. I don't think I would pay that. I just don't think I would. But anyways, got that. Okay, let's see. The next thing I have is from Arrow, which is cruelty-free. This is a Nourishing lip oil. I've gotten this before. It's fine. It's just like oil in like a little lip balm thing. I don't remember if it's scented. I feel like it was peppermint. Yeah, maybe a different one I had was peppermint or like a different lip balm from that brand. But this is saying it's aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. It says it gives a little bit of a tint. It like came out a little bit pink, but it's pretty much clear. Like that's not going to show up on your lips at all. Full size is $16, which I don't think is a terrible price depending how big it is. However, I don't think I would pay that personally. Okay, moving right along. The next thing I have is from ONEKIND, which I don't recall if I've ever tried this brand or not, but it does say it's cruelty-free. This is the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer, Squalene, and Rosehip Oil. I like the packaging and the branding on it looks nice. It's going to be just a cream though, so let's see. It is safety sealed, but we'll go ahead and see if it has any fragrance or anything in it. As it just shot out at me. Well, that's perfect. That's just the amount I need to see what we're dealing with here. I will say, like, I cannot shut this. There it goes. Okay. So there's a consistency. It is like just a lotion feeling. I don't think it's scented. But it feels just like a lotion. It's not super thick. So if you're looking for like a thicker night cream, that's not going to be a good one. It really just feels like a lotion. It does say non-greasy, which I agree. It is non-greasy, so that's good. Full size $38. I'm just not gonna pay that, I don't think, personally. Let me know. Let me know if I am just a cheapskate, please, or if these things are super inflated in price. All right, next thing I have is from Balance Me. Never heard of this brand. It does say the tube is made with over 50% post-consumer recycled plastic, so that's good. It is cruelty-free, it says there. It's just like a wash-off mask. Like you put it on for 10 minutes and you wash it off. There it is. That's fine, I guess. I don't know. I don't have much to say about that. I can't really like review that. But yeah, full size of that is $29. Not paying that. All right, last item in here. This is from This Works, which is cruelty-free. This is Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for dry, overwashed hands, which I definitely think I need. My hands are super dry right now. Let's see if it has a scent to it. The consistency, I kind of rubbed it off already, is like thick like a lotion. Or sorry, like a cream. Oh, I do not like the way it smells. It's very masculine, but like grass. It's like the only way I can describe it. That's weird because it says it's good for dry and sensitive hands, but I don't feel like that is. What's the scent on that? Oh, that's why I hate it. Okay, so maybe it is good for hands, but it says it has lavender essential oils, and I literally can't stand the smell of lavender. Which I don't know why it said it smells like grass, because I like the smell of grass, but it just smells like earth in a way. And yeah, not a fan of that. I probably will use it just because it does feel nice, but the scent is not good for me. All right, so that's everything. My entire box can fit into one hand. 15 bucks. You tell me, is this a ripoff? I kind of think so. Nothing in here I'm excited about. Nothing in here I would ever ask to be in a box, which is sort of the gamble you take when you get a subscription box. I will probably use the BB cream. Everything else is sort of like, I have it so I'll use it, but it's not anything I would ever really seek out. Like, nothing is exciting about this box. There's, like I said in the beginning of the video, there's been a couple boxes where I'm like, oh, that's really good. Like, I got some really, really good stuff. But 90% of the time, I am super disappointed with this box. I feel ripped off, and I just don't think it's a good deal. In fact, my last video, a lot of people were commenting like they agreed that it was not a good box. So I know I'm not the only one. I feel like Birchbox really, they were like the people who started subscription boxes, and they kind of just stayed, and they didn't elevate their box at all. And then all these other boxes came along and left them in the dust, and they didn't evolve at all. They just still send this crap, you know? But yeah, I'm definitely done with the subscription. Unless something changes, maybe I'll give it a try again in the future, but for right now, no more. But yeah, now let me know down in the comments what you thought of my box, and if you get this box, if you were disappointed like I was, if you're thinking of canceling, I would love to know. Let me know right down there in the comments. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!